So guys, for the first method, you want to make sure that your display cables are properly plugged in to both your computer and to your monitor. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in display settings. Click on it. Once you're on this, click on the drop down and then select extend desktop to this display and then select detect. If it detects your monitor, it should then appear right here. For the next method, you want to click on the Windows key and P on your keyboard at the same time. Click on the Windows key and P. You want to select extend. If that's not working, then select PC screen only. Once you select PC screen only, you want to turn off your computer. Then you want to come back into Windows and then select extend. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. You want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, there's going to be 3 links down below in the description for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card and you want to update your drivers through there. For the last method, just try doing a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then see if that works.